Awesome space expeditions, must-see missions of 2024. Brace yourselves, space enthusiasts, as we journey through 2024's 10 thrilling spaceflight missions that are simply not to be missed. First up, we have NASA's Artemis 3. This long-anticipated mission marks humanity's return to lunar exploration, promising new discoveries and fascinating insights. Next, the European Space Agency's Mars Sample Return mission takes center stage, set to bring back the first-ever Martian soil samples to Earth. Keeping up with Mars, we shift focus to SpaceX's Starship mission, Elon Musk's audacious plan to make humans a multi-planetary species. Turning back towards our home planet, the James Webb Space Telescope's first images unfold the universe's secrets like never before seen. Finally, we will witness the grandeur of Jupiter as Juno's extended mission continues to unravel the giant gas planet's mysterious nature. Join us on this cosmic journey as we delve into these audacious missions set to redefine our understanding of the universe in 2024.